Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Next up, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kraken. The process is very similar to what you've already seen with other exchanges. The main difference is just how things are laid out inside Coinbase's interface. For consistency, I'll be using the same example again. I'm transferring ETH on the Ethereum network, but you can follow these exact steps with other supported cryptocurrencies as long as the asset and network match. Let's walk through it step by step. First, head over to your Kraken dashboard. Click Transfer in the top right corner, then choose Deposit. Select Crypto, and pick the asset you want to deposit. Choose the network you'll be using. Click I understand, and if you want, check the box so you don't see this message again. Now copy the deposit address that Kraken gave you. Once that's done, it's time to move over to Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account. From your dashboard, click Send Crypto. Paste the wallet address you just copied from Kraken, select the asset you want to withdraw, making sure it matches the one you selected on Kraken, choose the same network you picked during the deposit setup on Kraken, enter the amount you want to send, and click Preview. Double-check all the details, then click Send Now. And that's it. Your transaction is on the way, and after the network confirms it, your crypto will show up in your Kraken account. As always, take your time and double-check the address and network before sending because crypto transfers can't be undone. If this guide helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more crypto how-tos, and drop a comment telling me which exchange transfer you want to learn next.